In this video, I will show you how to add a specific video to a specific playlist. So in order to do that, let's reach our profile icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Once inside YouTube Studio, press on content. Here, select the video which you want to add inside the playlist. Let's assume in my situation, this is the video which I want to add. So select it, then select add to playlist, and then select the playlist in which you want to add the video. Let's select this playlist also, YouTube detailed guides, then press on save. And the playlist has been edited, and this is how you can add the video to a playlist. Or if you want to create a brand new playlist instead of adding it to an existing playlist, you can create one really quick if you press on new playlist and then new playlist again. Proper title, your new playlist name and the description, as this will help a lot in terms of keywords and SEO results. As you can see, my most traffic comes from YouTube search, so take your time to set up all this correctly. After you're done, just press on create, and in this way you added the video to a new playlist instead of allocating it to an existing playlist. Thank you a lot for watching.